Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Leos. Too many cards have flipped out. So let's see what's there on your side, Leos. Okay, so on your side we have the Five of Swords. On your person's side we have the Magician. That's good. The most likely outcome is the King of Cups. Okay, so Leos, there has been some argument or some sort of manipulation, some fight, something going on in this dynamics. We will see what is it all about, but definitely there is some tension, maybe even falling apart, at least a temporary breakup perhaps, can be something like that. And here on your person's side, that this person is ready to have a new beginning or manifest a new beginning. And the most likely outcome is the King of Cups. So emotions are under control. That's what I feel over here. Perhaps not expressing the emotions, even if they are there. Anyway, so let's see what's behind the scenes for this Five of Swords. So for the Five of Swords, we have the Nine of Pentacles, the King of Wands, the Death and Rebirth, okay, the Three of Wands, okay, and the Ten of Wands, Hierophant, and the Six of Wands. Okay, and let's see what's this Magician for the Leos, the person you're dealing with. Why is this Magician here for the person you're dealing with, Leos? Okay, for this we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, the Nine of Swords, the Ace of Cups, the Justice, the Tower, okay, the Seven of Swords. Okay, let's see what's behind the scenes for this King of Cups. We have the Empress, the Hermit, the Star, Page of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, the Hangman, the King of Pentacles. Let's see, nothing great. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. Okay, let's take that. Okay, so Leos, what I feel here is that with the Nine of Pentacles, the King of Wands, Death and Rebirth, Three of Wands, Ten of Wands, Hierophant, and the Six of Wands, you are walking away from this relationship, Leos. At least for now. At least for now, that is what you're doing. You're focusing on your own happiness. You're focusing on yourself. You are really not interested in being with this person right now, at least for now, at least for a few days or this phase till this reading resonates with you. With the Nine of Pentacles, it is all about you and yourself. You're taking time off focusing on your own self, on your own happiness, on your own goals, trying to heal yourself, trying to feel good and confident about yourself, and you are actually feeling that. And with the death of and rebirth card, what I feel here is that you are ending it, or you feel that it has ended, or they have ended, I don't know. But yes, at least for now, this situation has ended, this relationship has ended. And with the Three of Wands, the Ten of Wands, what I'm getting here is that it seems to be a very determined energy on your side. You are not even giving a second thought and walking away from it. With the Three of Wands and the Ten of Wands, you are definitely leaving this situation and walking away from it because you are really done with it. Because perhaps it may have been happening since a long time, or it was too much for you. Whatever this fight was about, or this argument was about, whatever it was too much for you to wait or give it a second thought. So, whatever it is, you are just done with it, and you are really, really walking away from this relationship towards your own happiness, towards something stable, towards your own. What I feel here is that you want something, it's all about you. With the Six of Wands, you want your happiness, and I really don't feel as if you are much upset also about it. You are feeling very good about yourself, you are in your own self-worth, you are even feeling that, okay, it's like a very determined and a confident type of an energy. Doesn't really give me any melancholic look, or any look as if you are feeling upset or trying to remember that person, or even giving it a second thought. The decision seems to be so firm, and so it's like, just okay, I just call it quits, I'm moving away for my own happiness, for my own stability, and my own long-term goals, something like that, to pursue your own goals, pursue your own happiness, whatever it means for you, and you are truly victorious in it. So whatever this situation was with the Five of Swords, that was a clear-cut decision on your side, that no, this will not be taken, and it's just not acceptable, and I'm going, okay, bye, type of that. Such a determined, and not even giving it a second thought, not even feeling anxious or upset about it, because you know that you are right. It's something like that. And on your person's side, we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, the Nine of Swords, Ace of Cups, the Justice, the Tower, and the Seven of Swords. So what I feel here is that this person was showing some emotions to you. They were like they were just showing you that yes, there are emotions, they do love you, but things were just not moving forward perhaps. But what I feel here is that, and one more thing I would like to add is that whatever has happened, I think, is because of the Seven of Swords, Justice, and the Tower. Some unexpected reality has come up, or something has been disclosed, some truth has come up unexpectedly, or whatever it was, you weren't expecting whatever this was. And with the Seven of Swords, it was something which was regarding either things were being hidden from you, or it's like somebody was being sneaky and manipulating you. It has come up over here also. It's like manipulation and cheating, trying to have their own way, and suddenly it has come up to light, and suddenly you've come to know about this truth. That is what I feel, which has caused this disruption of this relationship, and you taking that decision. But yes, there is anxiety on this side also. This person is also very troubled and upset, yes, but then they are ready for a new beginning. This person is still ready for a new beginning. Maybe they want to have a new beginning with you again. We'll see that in the mutual outcome. But yes, with the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Cups and the Magician over there, this person does want to have a new beginning. Okay, it will happen or it will not happen. We will see that over here. But then yes, this is for sure that whatever it was something unexpectedly, suddenly you just came to realize, okay, oh my God, this is all which is happening, and that is why this person is not perhaps committing to you. Okay, and as the most likely outcome, we have the King of Cups. For the King of Cups, we have the Empress, the Hermit, and the Star. The Page of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, the Hangman, King of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, and the Four of Cups. So as I said, maybe this was happening since a long time, that this person was showing that they have feelings for you, and they were not investing that much, they were not progressing much, they were not making a move or stepping up in the game or stepping up for commitment, something like that in the relationship. But then they were juggling you. That is coming over here in the mutual outcome also, that somebody was waiting since a long time and feeling very, very upset about it because they were being juggled. They felt that they are somebody is not taking a firm decision towards the commitment. It's something like that. Okay, and it was happening since a long time. So though the feelings were there perhaps, or maybe now this person is feeling more about you with the King of Pentacles and with the King of Cups being there, since this situation has been stuck and somebody was waiting since a long time. But what I feel is that now with the Ace is, I think this person wants to have a new beginning with you. They are really praying and wishing to God that, oh my God, I just want that person back. They want you back. And things are definitely changing. Yes, they are ready to step up. I think with the King of Pentacles here and the King of Cups, they are ready to offer you some stability. And we have the Page of Cups. Though they may take a small step forward, not necessarily they may jump into the situation because they really don't know how you will react to it. And with the Hermit also being there, I think now they are realizing your worth, whosoever it is. With the Star and the Empress, what I feel is, it is somebody is really wishing that there should be a new beginning. Somebody is really wishing for a new beginning over here with the Star and the Empress. And with the Hermit, now the thing is that somebody has taken the time. They have now realized, they have somebody has been very, very intuitive, listening to the inner voice. Oh my God, my Leo has gone, what should I do? And now they are realizing your worth. That's what I feel. With the Hermit, now they are missing you. They are, because they are not like, they're realizing their intuition, their inner voice is telling them that whatever has happened is wrong, and now they are missing you. That's what I feel. With the Page of Cups being there, they are really realizing that they can't reach you so easily as they used to, perhaps, and things are changing. That's what I feel. Things will change, and definitely this person wants a new beginning, and I think they will step up to the game. They will step up for commitment. They want a reunion. Now it depends on you. What do you want to accept them or no? That's your decision, Leos. But then yes, they do want that. Number 6 may be of some significance for you. This is the message from the universe. Be willing to express love. Express love to receive love. So somebody here needs to express more love if they want love. So maybe this is what this person was not doing, and now they are ready to do that. So Leos, that's what I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.